Okay, this is palpation video number 1 for kin 3025. This is going to be the wrist and hand bony landmarks. So we're going to take our wrist in our hand, and we're going to start with the ulna. The ulna is going to be the bone right here. It's on the pinky side. And then the radius is going to be right here. This is on the thumb side. Radius is rad. Radius. On the ulna and the radius, actually, we have the heads and the styloid processes. The ulna is going to be on the pinky side. So the ulna, the styloid process of the ulna is going to be right in there by the pinky. Can you take a step back for me? And then the styloid process of the radius is going to be right there underneath the thumb, sort of. And then for the heads, you're going to go ahead and find the olecranon process, find the medial and lateral epicondyles, and then you're going to move distally, and you can pronate and supinate their arm, and that's going to be the head of the ulna. And then if you go to the medial epicondyle, the lateral epicondyle, and move distally, you can also feel the head of the radius by pronation and supination. Next is the anatomical snuff box. The anatomical snuff box is going to be right in there. I can show myself a little better. It's right there. It kind of opens itself up for you. And then the scaphoid, scaphoid's right here in the hand. It's underneath the thumb, right down here. And then your carpal bones, those are going to be in the lower part of the hand, so that they're down here and right here. And right in that area. And then they turn into your metacarpal bones, which are up here, and then your phalanges 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then your carpal tunnel is right here. This is part 2. These are going to be the wrist and hand muscles. We're going to start on the extensor side, extensor and flexor. Extensor side, the extensor carpi radialis longus, that's going to be on the radius, which is with the thumb. Can you say another step back from me? Sorry. Extensor carpi radialis longus, and then extensor carpi radialis brevis is going to be next to that. And then you have your extensor digitorum, which is in between them, in between the extensor carpi radialis brevis and the extensor carpi ulnaris, which is over on the ulnar side by the pinky. It's going to run right down there. And then you flip it over, and you have your flexor carpi radialis, your flexor carpi ulnaris, and then right in the middle, right here, you have your palmaris longus. I can show you myself as well. There you go. You can see the nice little tendon. The palmaris longus is right there. Yeah, thank you.